Have you also been wondering, is Webull better than Robinhood? Before diving into the comparison, it's worth noting two intriguing facts about these popular trading platforms. First, Robinhood, once hailed as a disruptor in the financial industry, has faced significant criticism and legal challenges. Its involvement in the GameStop saga and subsequent controversies have raised questions about its business practices and commitment to investor protection. Second, Webull, a relatively newer entrant to the market, has gained a reputation for offering advanced features and tools at a lower cost, attracting a growing user base. When comparing Webull and Robinhood, it's essential to consider various factors that influence a trader's experience and decision-making. One of the key areas to examine is the platform's user interface and ease of use. Both platforms strive to provide intuitive interfaces, but there are subtle differences. Robinhood's interface is generally considered more straightforward and visually appealing, especially for new investors. However, Webull offers a more customizable and feature-rich interface that caters to experienced traders who require advanced tools and charting capabilities. Another crucial aspect is the cost structure. Both Webull and Robinhood have adopted commission-free trading models, eliminating a significant barrier to entry for many investors. However, there are additional fees to consider. Robinhood charges fees for certain options trades and margin accounts. Webull also charges fees for certain options trades but offers a wider range of commission-free option strategies. Additionally, Webull provides access to fractional shares, allowing investors to purchase portions of high-priced stocks, which can be a valuable feature for those with limited capital. In terms of investment options, both platforms offer a broad range of securities, including stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. However, there are differences in the specific products available and the trading hours. Webull generally offers extended trading hours for certain securities, which can be beneficial for active traders. When it comes to research and educational resources, both platforms provide tools and information to help investors make informed decisions. Robinhood offers basic market data, news, and educational content. Webull, on the other hand, provides more advanced research tools, including customizable watch lists, technical analysis indicators, and fundamental data. Additionally, Webull offers a variety of educational resources, including webinars and articles. While both Webull and Robinhood have their strengths and weaknesses, the best platform for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you are a new investor seeking a simple and intuitive platform with a focus on commission-free trading, Robinhood may be a suitable choice. However, if you are an experienced trader who requires advanced features, customizable tools, and a wider range of investment options, Webull may be a better fit. It's important to note that the trading landscape is constantly evolving, and new platforms and features are emerging regularly. It's advisable to conduct thorough research and consider factors such as your investment goals, risk tolerance, and trading style before making a decision. Ultimately, the best way to determine which platform is right for you is to try both and see which one aligns more closely with your trading preferences.